In this episode, we are going to introduce Beauty Effect. First, click Beauty FX, and then enable Beauty FX. Now select a channel to be applied to. In this case, we have our hostess in Camera 2 channel. So let's select Camera 2. Now you can adjust all the parameters here. Press Ctrl and mouse wheel, you can zoom in the picture. Press Ctrl and left mouse key, you can drag the picture to a proper position. You can switch Beauty FX on and off to see the difference. Try all the parameters here until you get what you want. After the setting is done, you can save it as template. Just click on Template and hold your mouse key for 3 seconds. Enter a name and click OK to save the template. You can save up to 3 templates. Switch the template, you can get a different effect. To restore the image to its original state, just click Default button.